medical supplies medicine, on some medicine the rate of GST is 12%. Then what is the rate of CGST and SGST? We know CGST is same as SGST, and both are half of GST. So half of GST, that is half of 12%. So this way CGST is equals to SGST, and each is of 6%. And this is your answer. CGST is 6%, SGST is also 6%. Now next question, question number 2. On certain article, if rate of GST is 9%, CGST is 9%, then what is the rate of SGST and what is the rate of GST? So first of all, CGST is 9%. This is already given. We need SGST. We know that CGST should be same as SGST. So if CGST is 9, SGST is also 9%. Then next part of the question says, what is the rate of GST? So GST should be CGST plus SGST, means central tax and state tax together will give you GST amount. So CGST is 9, SGST is also 9, so GST will become 18%. So in simple word, you can remember this. CGST and SGST actually half of GST. If GST is 12, CGST will become 6% and SGST will become 6%. If CGST is 6%, so SGST will also 6%, and total GST amount will become 12%. In other words, you can say that CGST, SGST actually half of GST amount, and GST is twice of SGST, GST is twice of CGST. Hope it is clear to everybody. Messrs Real Paint sold 2 tins of Luster paint and taxable value of each tin is 2,800. So first we will find out cost price of 2 tin. So cost price of 2 tins. So 2 into cost of each tin. So here you can write it as 2 into cost of each tin. So cost of each tin is 2800. So your final cost price is 5600. Correct? So cost price of 2 tin is 5600. If the rate of GST is 28%, then find the amount of CGST and SGST charge in the tax invoice. So first we will find out GST amount, and as we know that CGST should be half of GST and SGST should be half of GST. So 28% GST on cost price. So cost price is 5600, where we need to calculate 28% GST amount. So this way you can find out these two zero will cancel in numerator and denominator. So you will left with 56 into 28. So we just need to multiply 56 with 28 to get the cost price. So 56 into 28 can be multiplied. We can do it here. 56 and 28. So it is 1568. That is 1568 is total GST amount. Now out of this 1568, half is CGST and half is SGST. So therefore CGST should be same as SGST, and each is half of GST. In next step we will do the calculation where we are going to divide GST amount into two equal parts. So half of GST, that is 1568, because GST is 1568. So this way CGST and SGST each is 784. 784 for CGST and 784 SGST. Means central government will get 784 on this transaction, as well as state government will get 784 rupees on this transaction, and total tax paid by the uh, consumer is 1568 rupees. Hope it is clear to everybody. The taxable value of a wristwatch belt is 586. Rate of GST is 18%. Then what is the price? So here it is clearly mentioned that taxable value is 586. So we will calculate tax on this amount, and a rate of GST is 18%. So I am going to calculate 18% GST on taxable value. So taxable value is 586 into 18 upon 100. So when we simplify this, we will get 105.48 This is GST amount. 18% GST on 586 is 105 rupees 48 paise. And we need to find out final price for the customer. So here we will write final price for the customer, which should be inclusive of taxes. So here taxable value plus GST will give you final price or the amount paid by the customer. So taxable value is 586 plus GST amount 105 rupees 48 paise. So together it will give us 691.48 paise. So this is final cost of the belt. Is it clear, everybody? Question says the total value with GST of a remote control toy car is 1770 rupees. This amount includes GST also. Rate of GST is 18%. So 18% GST is already included in this amount, that is in taxable value. Find the taxable value and see GST and SGST. So first we need to separate this taxable value and GST amount. So here we can consider, let the taxable value be X. So if taxable value is X, so this is final cost of the toy, which is uh, inclusive of GST also. And we know that the GST was calculated on taxable value. So this way we can find out GST also, and GST is 18%. So 18% GST on taxable value. So taxable value is X, 18% GST, that is 18 upon 100. So it will become 18x upon 100. This is GST amount. So this is GST, this is taxable value. Total it should be 1770. So 1770 is total value of the toy. So total value of the car should be same as taxable value plus GST. So total value is 1770, which is already given in our question, and taxable value of the toy is X according to our assumption, and GST plus GST is 18x upon 100. So we can multiply throughout by 100. So it will look like this: 177 into 100x. Every term we are going to multiply by 100 so that this denominator 100 can be eliminated. So when you multiply 100 in this with this term 18x upon 100, so it will become 18x. So 177 triple 100x plus 18x, so 118x. So this way x is 177 on its place, and this 118 can be brought to the left hand side. Here it is multiplying with x, so when I'll bring it to the left hand side, it will divide. So here we can write 118 in the denominator. So 118, we need to divide this 177 triple zero by 118. So I'll get taxable value, which should be 1500. So you can multiply 1500 with this 18, you will get 17750. So here x is 1500. When you divide this 177,000 with 118, you will get 1500 as taxable value. X stands for taxable value. So taxable value of the car is 1500. Next is find out CGST and SGST of the toy. So we need to find out GST first. So here we can write GST is actually total value minus taxable value. So total value is 1770 minus taxable value is 1500. So GST amount is 270. And as we know that CGST and SGST is supposed to be half of GST. So here you can say CGST is same as SGST and each is half of GST. Half of GST means half of 270. So this should be 135. So CGST is 135 and SGST is also 135.